answer? Okay, the question is, what is the capital of Thailand? Binago na sa'yo. Okay, binago na sa'yo. Okay, nagbago. Okay, so, favorite flavor of our debutant. The choices are vanilla, matcha, chocolate. Oh, I'll give chance to him. Vanilla! Vanilla is wrong! Alright, so the correct answer is chocolate. Ayan, favorite flavor of our debutant, chocolate. Okay, ayan. So another question. Okay, I'll ask, sir. Okay, how are you, sir?
I'm good.
Okay, that is the correct answer. Ayaw na kausapin. Okay, so the kilala ka.
My name is Rafael.
Okay, give it up for Rafael. And ma'am?
Grace.
Okay, give it up for Ma'am Grace. And?
My name is Shanae.
Oh. Okay, parang mama. Give it up for her. And your name again? Pwede this Clark. Okay, give it up for Clark. Answer?
Your Honor, hindi ko po maalala.
Okay, tuwa-tuwa na sa mga nasa dito yung mga kilala nito. Baka ispiya to ha. Okay, your name po.
Good evening everyone, my name is Martin together with my co-teacher. Hello there.
Ano na ba? Hindi naman si sequence kung hindi ba handa. Your name, ayan, ito po yung birthday chairman natin. Yes?
Phil Pahole.
Phil, okay. Give it up for Mr. Phil. James, nasan po si James? Okay, sama ka daw. Okay, ayan. Sige, Syra din. Ayan. Okay. Okay, last na po ito. Baka maubos yung audience. Okay, sige. Your name, sir, your name?
James.
Okay, palakpakan po natin si James. Give it up for James and Syra. Let's give it up for Syra. Okay, so ganito lang. Showdown lang po ito. Magkakaroon ng music once we play the music. Ayan. So, medyo freestyle lang tayo. Okay, kapag tinuro ko po kayo, kayo po muna ang magpapasiglab. Then you will select the next dancer. Okay, okay. So, pag tinuro ko po kayo, pag pinush ko kayo dito sa gitna, kayo po muna ang unang, ayan, sasayaw-sayaw. Bahala po kayo, freestyle. Okay, freestyle. Then after your turn, or pag gusto niyo na pong ipasa, ituro niyo na lang po yung next sa inyo. Okay, and kayo madlang people, palakpakan naman tayo dyan. Palakpakan! Make some noise! Everyone, okay. This is the first song. DJ, please. Okay. Freestyle muna. Come on. Okay. Okay, alright. Okay. Our first dancer is... Go muna. Come on, palakpakan. Make some noise. Next. saklolo tong mga to ah. Parang pinakain na nga po kayo ah. Isa pa, 1, 2, 3, make some noise! Isa pa! Okay, okay, pag-isip pa. How about VIP 2? I love the energy, louder! Okay, tama na, tama na, tama na. Okay, alright, let's proceed with our special messages. Okay. Okay, so before tayo pumunta sa special messages,